You ever get that feeling your butt's vibrating? It's not. Your phone and feel like
it's a phantom. The other day, I could have
like all the time.
Mine was going off, and I wasn't even wearing it.
What is all this rigged up? Zip ties and stuff.
JDM, bro. Even my camera gear's JDM. Zip ties holding it all together.
At least they're even.
But legit JDM.
Yeah, it is.
Man, we're on a budget around here.
Yeah.
Did you charge the battery?
Have you seen the price of zip ties lately? That's pretty high end.
No, we don't have any.
Yeah.
Back in my day, we were using bread ties.
Yeah.
You saved them things.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you didn't throw them things away,
I just threw away like a whole of those. Heck load of those.
Kind of like one of those uphill both ways to school in the snow kind of stories, yeah?
Yeah.
This sounds like the Army survival story of only having one sheet of toilet paper.
Yeah. And you had to share it with your buddy.
I hadn't heard that version. I know what Keenan's talking about.
Tell us, Doug.
Yeah, story time with Shopdad.
Yeah.
I know how to do it one piece, so how do you share it?
Yeah.
So you got to fold it.
Well, you use one
you
side
fold
of
it and hand it off.
Use the other.
Fold it and hand it off.
You just do 2 wipes while you got it there. Hey, buddy. Come on, while
Man, we thought
dirty.
we had a hardware with one piece. So these guys are talking about half pieces over here.
Yeah.
Should I even ask how you use a corn cob?
Well, you let them dry.
Oh, I've never done that. Yeah. When I was a kid, I had that the airplane on the tether. You know, what do you call those with the cords?
A kite?
Yeah. Gas-powered plane. And every time I flew it, I wrecked it. And it was like, it'd be like this. My buddy let go of it, and it'd go, and it went upside down, and the little guy fell out just like he was ditching the plane, and it went.
Did he have one of the parachutes? So when he fell out?
No, he just died. I decided I'd put the gas motor in my dad's vise and put a few drops of gas in it and start it up, see if the motor was still good. It shot out of that vise like a stray bullet and went bouncing all around the garage until it ran out of gas. So, very dangerous.
Hope you're learning lessons over here, Zach.
Tighten the vise.
What do you think? You gonna get on board the mini madness?
I don't know, because I just sold toys to fund toys I already have.
Oh.
And now I want to buy more toys. So it's like this is a cycle that I'm trying to solve and fix.
Trust me, hey, I was only one check away from buying a motor.
Zach,
well, you did buy a motor.
Yeah, I did.
Mine. You don't even have to buy one.
A small one.
Oh, you're gonna no, I don't need yours, Doug.
You just use mine and go ahead and improve on it as you see fit. Just do some welding on it, put a nice spring seat on it.
I'm gonna start with everything but the front tire, but it doesn't hold air, so.
Yeah.
How's the hey, well, update. You want to tell everybody what happened since the last time we did a video talking about the Blazer?
I sold it. It's gone. It's one of those things you don't know how much you miss something until somebody else drives it and does burnouts in it, and you're like, it's gone. So like unloaded it on the trailer, they paid me, I gave them the title, and I had to leave because I couldn't stand to watch somebody else drive my car. Wasn't fun. But now I got money for my car.
Right.
So
Project Chevelle is in
full effect.
swing. Yeah, I know. What stuff have you ordered for it so far?
Nothing. I have I have money burning a hole in my pocket.
Oh, that's never good, because usually ends up going elsewhere. If you...
It usually ends up, yeah, mini bike. Remember, we were just on this discussion to start with.
You can ride mine for the time being.
But
at least it's bigger.
Now I'm gonna order all the ride tech. I'm gonna do the whole ride tech setup on it. I like everything we do here that's got the ride tech, so why not put it on my own? I already had it on the front of my C10. The coilover setup. It was nice. It was nice. Nice. But other than that.
What else is new?
Wiring. like usual. Trying to,
The last update I did with you was what, 4 or 5 days ago?
and it was wiring. But since then I've done brakes. It's a roller now.
Oh man, I just now noticed that.
It's got all the brakes on it, emergency brakes on it.
These aren't actually the truck's wheels though, are they?
No, these are all rollers.
Yeah, that's what.
These are off of Frankenstein.
I figured I would explain it before somebody started asking.
Yeah, the first Frankenstein. That's what I said. I had to clean them up because you were gonna film it. Frankenstein 1.0. But I had to clean them up so we didn't get the those wheels are dirty, or those are perfect. Oh, I don't like those. It's always how it is.
You can calm down, people. These aren't the wheels that are going on it. I would hope not. I saw it and I was like, wait a second, I've seen these before.
Yeah.
They're good looking wheels. Just
noticed that they were on it. Zach knew right away that you were going to walk in the door and say, hey, that's a roller. But you didn't do it. And you were in the room for like 15 minutes.
I was too busy talking to you, Doug,
Oh, that's what it is.
and blowing my camera off. I hadn't actually seen what you're doing, Doug. What are you doing here?
I am cutting on a new cross brace for the farm truck.
What's happening with this whole rear end? I haven't heard anything.
Oh, they decided the old rear end was not going to handle the horsepower, so
Right.
So Keith ordered some new axles, and we just pulled the center section out this morning so we could send it out and have it beefed up with a new yoke and bigger universal.
So is that what you're doing? Is just adding more rigidity and strength back here?
Yeah, this had a factory cross member in it.
Uh-huh.
And our customer's still going to use the truck for hauling hay, and he's just going to haul it really fast now.
Yeah. At least he'll be able to keep power down on the ground.
So we need to, the other one was in the way of the new gas tank, so we had to cut a new cross member, and we're going to fit it in and tuck the rails together, and so we still have the strength.
Not much, man. Saw you cut into some stuff.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna start cutting this side out. And hopefully making some progress today.
Are you just trying to cut out that section of rust?
I'm gonna cut this whole side out because the bottom's all rotted out where it drops down to meet the quarter. So all inside here on the back side's rotted out. So I'll cut the whole panel out, put a new one in. It just kind of runs from right alongside the gas tank up. Ties into the top of the trunk floor hump and then the inner wheel tub. So I'm gonna cut all that out. Just like I did on this side. And make it match. Make it match. So I heard you got a little mini bike there, Eric.
I did. I got a pit bike.
Yeah? What'd you get?
One little 125.
Damn. So does that put you in the biggest leader category?
So far, but you know, KC ain't gonna have it his way. He's building himself a 140 after riding mine. So he rode mine and he was like, he said he was already gonna do a 140, and then he rode mine and he was like, it's only a 125. He was like, 140 is gonna be in such a small bike.
What is that one that his kid has? It's a 110 maybe?
I don't know. When Tanner showed me out there, like once I got shifting down, it was like a piece of cake, cornering and everything. I would just treat it like I was on an actual course, like mountain bike course.
Yeah.
And I would always ride single trail, so they're extremely tight. And you'd have to jump over stuff. And,
Yeah, kind of more technical.
yeah. I jumped Wes's big bike that I rode on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I'm not sure what it looked like from the outside point of view, because his bike is so heavy, like I could feel it hit the ground while I was still in the air, and it was like I would land on top of it.
In Eric's mind, he's jumping a 40-foot gap.
Yep.
In real world, he got
Like
6 inches off the ground and coasted over.
it got like 2 inches.
Got like 2 inches.
All day long you have to listen to that, huh? So how's work on the Chevelle?
Got the front end taken apart.
I see, I see. Looks like you got these pillars finally, some work done on them.
Yeah. So, took the whole front end apart. I sanded all the little stuff pretty much. Still need to do some body work on the cow. And then they're gonna get primed. I did the dash. I let Austin fix this. It was pretty messed up right here. It was like torn. So Austin fixed that.
Clean work.
On both sides, actually. I don't know. Other than that, that's all I've been doing. Just got a bunch of little stuff to do now, which sucks. It's the part I hate. I actually enjoy doing the bigger, more time-consuming work and harder stuff. Then you get to the little stuff and it's boring. I'm ready to shoot myself now.
You just painted that?
Just painted it yesterday. And then I wet sanded it last night, and then I buffed it during lunch, and now it's going home. I did it for my daughter.
Nice. Bet she'll like that.
Sure did. She was asking last night if it was hers. I was like, no.
No, it's mine. I like turquoise.
It's nice to get away from body work every now and then and do some painting.
So this is the this is my sweet little Craigslist purchase from yesterday. I'm deeming it the camera bike. That's how I'm justifying this expense. So that way I can bring you guys more content. And Tanner made me do it.
Yep.
It's all Tanner's fault.
No, I didn't make you do it.
Tanner made me.
I just made you learn how to ride.
He made me learn how to ride.
I didn't take no for an answer.
He didn't take no for an answer.
And you did it.
And then he made me buy a bike.
I didn't make you.
You knew it was going to do that.
I know. But you know what though? It's
It's
like you doing that, now it's gonna make me buy one. So
Huh?
it's like it was a lose-lose situation for me.
So, yeah, just to clarify, this right here has started. Everybody talked about buying mini bikes. Nobody has yet to do it. But then I went and bought one yesterday, and now
Casey just bought one.
Casey. Oh, he did buy
Yeah,
that.
he just bought it.
So Casey just ordered one online. Zach was in there talking about how now he wants one, but he just sold his Blazer so he can put money towards the Chevelle, and now he's looking at already having a.
Oh, he's looking for any reason, to probably justify it.
Yeah.
Just like me.
Yeah. And,
Maybe
and
you
Keenan's already ordering and building a bike, and Garrett said the hell with that and just ordered a new chain for his taint punisher.
Tell you, man.
Pissing blood out
Yeah.
of that thing.
He said that he said everyone go buy all their fancy bikes and he's gonna take that little rigid frame and whip us with it.
I'm the ultimate cheapskate.
Especially on those types of areas.
I don't know. Garrett just ordered a chain and he's calling it a day.
Yeah. Well, he'll be last. Where's his bike?
Yeah.
There it is. You see it behind? You might not be able to see it.
No, he ordered a chain for the
Oh yeah.
I don't know what
the
we call
tractor
that thing. The tractor
The
bike.
death trap is what
Wow.
The
it is.
death trap. Yeah.
Plow.
The pile.
The plow.
The plow.
It's like a like it's a square with wheels.
Dude, but he looks like it was like dolly wheels. But when he
a cartoon riding.
when he's riding it, he looks like a guy on a motorized like scooter, like at Walmart or
Yeah.
like a wheelchair.
Your knees should never hit each other on a motorcycle. Unless you're in the air. If you have a motorcycle and your knees hit each other, you don't have a motorcycle.
Thanks for watching.